Did you know that scooters didn't exist 50 years ago? They were invented by kids using wooden crates and roller skate wheels. Want to know how? Hi friends, it's Dino. I love zooming on my scooter. Are you ready for its origin story? Over 100 years ago, children didn't have scooters to buy in shops, so clever kids built their own using wheels from old roller skates. They nailed the wheels to a wooden plank, then attached a wooden crate as handlebars. A homemade scooter was born. These homemade scooters became hugely popular, and soon children all over the neighborhood were rolling and racing down the street. Toy makers noticed how much fun children were having, so they began designing sturdier scooters made of metal in factories. During a difficult time in history when metal was hard to get, factories had to pause making metal scooters for a while. When that difficult time ended, factories started making scooters again, and children were more excited than ever to get one. Wow, scooters used to be made of wood and old roller skates. I'm glad mine is shiny and colorful, but there's more to discover. Many years later, an inventor had a clever new idea. What if a scooter could fold up flat, so it was easy to carry and store? This new lightweight folding scooter became incredibly popular with children everywhere, easy to ride, carry, and share with friends. Because riding fast is so much fun, wearing a helmet and knee pads helps keep every scooter rider safe while they zoom around. Today, scooters can be found in parks and playgrounds in countries all around the world, loved by children everywhere. Next time you ride your scooter, remember its amazing journey, from old roller skate wheels all the way to the scooters we love today. So remember, old roller skate wheels became wooden scooters, then metal ones, and finally a clever folding design we still use today. I hope you enjoyed this zoomy story. Ask a grown-up to help you remember your safety gear before you ride. See you next time, friends!
Subscribe for more videos!